Assalamu alaikum. In a very short time, I am going to describe a structure that will enlighten your vocabulary and you will be able to use this structure in your speaking. Let's start the session. Yet to. Yet to means anything that has not happened yet. It means कि कोई काम जो अब तक नहीं हुआ या किसी काम का अब तक होना बाकी है. The formula of yet to is firstly we use the subject, then is MR means be verb. Is MR, then yet to as a structure, and after the yet to we use verb first form and object. Because after the two, normally we use the verb first form. किसी काम का होना बाकी है. So the note of this is to make negative, add only not. What is the placement of the not here? We add only not after the is MR. We add only not after the is MR. For example, they are yet to show their marks. उन लोगों का रिजल्ट या शो यानी उन लोगों का अब तक अपना रिजल्ट शो करना बाकी है. It means they have not showed their result yet. She is yet to learn more. उस लड़की का सीखना अभी बाकी है. मतलब मजीद सीखना एक यहाँ पर बात हो सकती है कि वो किसी लेसन की बात करें या किसी लेक्चर की बात करें तो उनका सीखना अभी बाकी है. She is yet to learn more. And I am yet to upload my lectures online. Yeah, definitely I am yet to upload my lectures online. Inshallah, I will do it. So, would you like to tell me something about in your comment section? What are you yet to do in your life? For example, you are yet to go abroad. You are yet to learn English and anything else.